This is a kickstand. We're going to demonstrate a replacement of a stand over here towards the back that will go on the rear. You get the right angle Allen key and all the tools you need to put the kickstand on. You're going to need to do a little assembly. You're going to take this back plate like so to the flat surface, and you're going to take the nut that goes between the notched areas that grabs the nut, and you're going to start to tighten down a little. And this way you could put this on. You're going to take off this back plate, these two nuts, one of them. So this way now you can slide between the bar and the plate and lock back on. As we put the kickstand bracket onto the main bar, we slide on, lock everything, and make sure everything we put back on is correct, and put the end caps on, and we are ready to test the kickstand out. Make sure it's sturdy, that it lifts up and it closes down, and we want to make sure we got the right height, because on the bottom the plastic is going to grip the cement, the road, the gravel, and we can adjust our kickstand when we need to by simply taking that red cap, pushing it in and out, and there is the kickstand doing a great job holding the bike and standing. So if you're looking to replace a broken kickstand and adjustable height from a bicycle's height perspective, this kickstand may be something that you're looking for that may be right for you.